Hello. The video you are about to see contains images of dolls only. Hello. Hello. Look who we've got feeding today.
We're really enjoying it. Well, he is anyway.
That boy would eat if the monkeys fed him. Honestly, all you've got to do is show him a bottle.
Yes.
And he doesn't care who gives it to him. A dog, a cat, a mouse, a monkey. No, seriously, he's really good about feeding. He's really good about feeding. This one is a bit fussy. I'm just making sure that she's got her teeth well in, and she has. What a good girl. What a good girl. Yeah. So, you've got Ewan.
I've got Ewan, yes.
Who is Bonnie Brown Twin A. And I have got Evie, who is Bonnie Brown Daisy. Now, what's going to happen later this month, B?
We should be getting other twins, shouldn't we?
Yes. So this is a half a twin and a half a twin,
yes.
Really.
But it is all coming together.
It's all coming together because later this month they are being worked on as we speak. We are getting Bonnie Brown Twin B, which will be Ewan's sister Emmeline, and another Daisy, which will be Evie's brother Elliot. So we're really looking forward to that.
Looking forward to seeing those.
Yes, it will be great. So that's going to be really, really cool. Oh, is that nice? Is that nice?
That is going down well.
Is it good? Is it good? Oh, she's such a little fluff ball. I have to say, Mummy should not have favourites, but I love this little one so much. She's such a tiny little, a tiny little bird. She's like a tiny little bird, but this little hand, the way it points up and the fingers all spread out like starfish. I just adore her. She's just so beautiful. I have really wanted a Tink, because I rather think Tink would be a bit like her. But at the moment, Tinks are just ridiculously priced and I can't afford one. So I will wait and see what happens. Because, I just can't afford to pay that kind of money for a Tink. Oh man. You're so beautiful. And I have plenty of babies at the moment.
And you certainly do.
I certainly do.
Including you.
Including you and you. You're so beautiful. You're adorable. Oh, that reminds me of something. A, you're adorable. B, you're so beautiful. C, you're a cutie full of charms. D, you're a darling, and E, you're exciting, and F, you're a feather in my arms. G, you look good to me. H means you're heavenly. I, you're the one I idolize. J, we're like Jack and Jill. K, you're so kissable. L is the love light in my eyes. N, O, P, I could go on all day. Q, R, S, T, alphabetically speaking, you're okay. You made my life complete. V means you're very sweet. W, X, Y, Z. It's great to wander through the alphabet with you and tell me what you mean to me.
Oh, beautifully sung.
Yes. Yeah, it's that's an old song. I've known that since I was knee-high to a grasshopper. I don't don't often write poetry or write tunes myself, but again, going back to what I've been doing with Nicole's little ones, I actually did have to write a song this week. Do you remember it, Bea? You were working away over there. Is that good? Is that good? And you were just working, and all of a sudden I started bawling, didn't I? You were like, what? And this often happens, doesn't it, when you live on planet L?
Yes. All sorts can happen on a planet L. I was working away one time, and all of a sudden I heard, "If you throw that thing at me, I'll jump right on your head."
I was listening to
It's a classic.
I was listening to a comedy record, wasn't
Yes.
I? And
Charlie Drake.
I just didn't realise I'd said it.
My boomerang won't
Yeah.
come back.
You're such a good boy. How's Ewan doing?
Oh, he's doing great.
Yeah.
Yes, as well.
Oh,
yeah.
good. But going back to what I was saying, we're always getting ourselves sidetracked. I wrote this poem and song for the backstory of the leprechaun Ellie. And I better give you some background to it, because it's a pretty tune, but it's sad. Little Ellie grew up in a very crowded home where she was the eldest and had to look after all her little brothers and sisters because her mother was always sick. And then her mother was having a baby, which she knew she wasn't going to make it and live to see the baby grow up. She knew that having the baby would, be the end of her. And the thing about leprechauns is that they're absolutely undemonstrative and they don't say things. They find it very hard to express their feelings. And there was a party, and at this party she was asked to sing. And I knew that I would have to use the song to get Ellie's mother to express to her things that she just absolutely couldn't say. And so I thought, right, I've got to write this. How am I going to write it? And it was just one of those times when I got the first line and the rest just all came flooding out. It was really weird, because normally when I write poetry it takes me days and days on end. And I'm not singing this to toot my own horn, but I'm singing it because I just don't know why, I just thought it was pretty. And it goes like this. Farewell, my little mountain bird. I gave you life, I watched your way. Remember this, my parting word. Now I must go and you must stay. Think not that it was never known, the long hard days, the books unlearned. Think of a future yet unshown, of treasures you have truly earned. You never shirked from any ask, the right road you would ever walk. If burdened with a larger task, I hope that you will not walk. The family must your fortress be, and you must be their pillar strong. Hold fast in love and charity, and keep the family safe from wrong. Some dark days you will surely see, but never let your heart despair. Think on the holy high country, and look to find your comfort there. Now I must go and you must stay. Remember all you've seen and heard. I'll bless you more each passing day. Farewell, my little mountain bird. Whoops. Lost the last note there because my throat choked up. That's pretty,
It's
isn't
lovely.
it? You think it's pretty, don't you? You think it's pretty? You think it's pretty? Oh, she's such a little sweetheart.
They both are.
They're such gorgeous little blessings, aren't they?
They really are.
They're our little mountain birds.
and to be joined by others soon.
Absolutely. I love our little tiny babies. Aren't they gorgeous?
Yes.
We'll have 6 of them, counting Toby and
I
know.
know.
Aren't lucky. Right, well that brings this week's videos to a close. We'll be back tomorrow to start a new week, and who knows what it will hold.
I have no idea at the moment,
No,
but we
have
do
no
hope
idea.
it's going to be great.
Just know it's going to be great because we'll be with you. What
That's
else
right.
would we want? Thank you so much for watching, for
Yes.
subscribing. If you're new, welcome.
Welcome along.
Thank you for your lovely comments and for being with us, for keeping us positive and keeping us going. Take care of your babies, have a lovely day and a lovely rest of the week.
There's no
And
sign of this one giving up the bottle
No.
anytime soon.
take care of yourselves, have a lovely rest of the week. And
Let's
be good to each other.
Bye.
Bye-bye.